These big bulbous seed pods are from a plant called dog rose. This is one of the main free plants from the rose family in the UK, along with field rose and burnet rose. They grow these complex leaves comprised of different leaflets that grow opposing each other, with a terminal one at the end. The young stems look like this, green with a tinge of red, with these hooked thorns which grow along the stem. As the stems get older, towards the base of the plant, you can see they slowly change from this green smooth texture into a much more woody one, until we get right down to the base of the plant where you can see it resembles a spiky tree. This is the most abundant native member of the rose family in the UK. They tend to flower from June to July, and you can see this one has already been fully pollinated and the buds have started to form. All members of the rose family are edible. You can eat these leaves, although they do have little spikes on the back of them, so be careful. You can also eat the flowers earlier on in the year, and later on, when these form, you can eat the rose hips. However, when eating these, it's important to note that you have to scrape the seeds out from the inside, as they contain tiny little hairs which will irritate your throat. When I was a kid, we used to call these itchy bombs, because you can break open the shell, throw it at someone, and if the seeds inside make contact with someone's skin, it'll make them really itchy. Earlier on in the year, before these pods form, the flowers on this are absolutely stunning, little tiny pink roses. The spiny undergrowth of this plant provides a brilliant habitat for different birds looking for a safe haven. There's a bit of ambiguity around how this plant originally got the name dog rose. In ancient times, it was said that the root of this plant could be used to treat the bite of a mad dog. However, with a lot of plants, if they had the word dog in their name, it tended to mean that they were worthless, which may suggest that this type of rose was less useful to our ancestors than other types. This plant has been seen as a symbol of royalty throughout history, and it was also said to be able to ward off evil spirits and even vampires. So that's dog rose, an absolutely stunning native shrub. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, and also follow along, add this video to your favourites and repost it, because it really helps the algorithm push the channel forward. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.